Hello, Imanpuri here. In today's video, we're going to learn how to count from 0 to 10 in Bahasa Indonesia. So without further ado, let's take a look at the screen now. Okay, so let's just start. 0 in Bahasa Indonesia is nol. 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 But you will also hear Indonesian pronounce it with the letter E, with an added E here. So this E letter in Bahasa Indonesia you can pronounce in two ways. You can pronounce it as A, or you can pronounce it as uh. But in this case, we're gonna pronounce this E letter as So this is pronounced as nol, 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 nol. So if I put this into syllables, and nol, nol, nol. So this is nol, and this one is nol, nol, nol. Nol, 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 nol. So there are two ways to pronounce nol. Some will pronounce it as nol, but in the formal form is you will write it as nol without the letter. So you just write it down as nol. But when pronouncing, Indonesian tend to add before the nol. So we sometimes pronounce it as nol, okay? But when you write it down, make sure you write it down as nol without the letter E, okay? Okay, moving on. Satu. One is satu. 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 Next. Two is dua. So here, if I put into syllables do and a, do a, do a. But we usually add like there is a W there, so we do not pronounce it as do a, but we pronounce it as there is W there. So we pronounce it as do wa instead of do a. Here you say, okay, I will just write it down. Dua and if I pronounce this like these syllables, I will pronounce it as do-a, do-a. But we don't pronounce it as do-a. We pronounce it as dua. So there's an imaginary W there. Dua, dua. Okay. Dua, dua. Dua, dua. Dua, dua. Dua, dua. I hope that you don't get confused with this. So if you pronounce it like this, you will pronounce it as do-a. Do-a. Yes, we split this into syllable as do-a. Do-a. But we pronounce it as do-wa. Like there is a W there. Do-wa. 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 Okay, moving on. 3 in Bahasa Indonesia is tiga. 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 Ga. Okay, 4 in Bahasa Indonesia is empat. So the letter E here, you pronounce it as a. Empat. It's not empat. It's not empat. Okay, it's empat. 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 Next, 5 in Bahasa Indonesia is lima. 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 6 in Bahasa Indonesia is enam. 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 Next, 7 in Bahasa Indonesia is tujuh. 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 Next, 8 in Bahasa Indonesia is delapan. Delapan. There is 3 syllables there. Delapan. 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 And 9 in Bahasa Indonesia is sembilan. Sembilan. It is also 3 syllables. Sembilan. 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 And the last, 10. 10 is 10 in Bahasa Indonesia. 10. Sepuluh. It is also 3 syllables. 10. Sepuluh. 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 Okay, there you are. Now I will try to read it from 0 to 10 3 times. Okay? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more time. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more. Last time. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there you have it. So good luck in your journey in learning Bahasa Indonesia. Bye now.